Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Sa atas ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., formal na pong binuo ang Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI sa bisa ng Executive Order No. 94. Ang layunin ng komisyon, ito ay magsasagawa ng malalim at walang kinikilingang investigasyon sa mga ulat ng katiwalian, maling paggamit ng pondo at irregularidad sa mga flood control at iba pang proyektong pang-infrastruktura ng pamahalaan sa nakalipas na 10 taon. The Commission has been granted broad investigative powers, including the authority to issue subpoenas, recommend the filing of criminal or administrative cases, coordinate with prosecutorial and disciplinary bodies, and request relevant documents such as books, contracts, bank records, and other materials needed for its investigation upon proper request or representation to the appropriate authorities. To lead this task, the President has appointed individuals of proven competence, integrity, and deep familiarity with infrastructure, finance, and institutional reform. Rogelio Babe Singson, Commission Member. Mr. Singson brings decades of direct experience in both the planning and execution of major government infrastructure projects. As former Secretary of the Department of Public Works and Highways, he led one of the most significant reform efforts in the agency's history, introducing systems to promote transparency, eliminate ghost projects, and ensure proper use of public funds. He also served as head of the Bases Conversion and Development Authority, where he managed large-scale land and infrastructure development. His technical understanding of how projects are designed, procured, and implemented will be essential to this Commission's work. Rosana A. Fajardo, Commission Member. Ms. Fajardo is a certified public accountant and currently the country managing partner of SGB and Company, the Philippines' largest professional services firm. She has over 3 decades of experience in auditing, internal controls, and risk management, especially in identifying weaknesses in financial systems and operational processes. She has worked across both public and private sectors to help organizations defect fraud, strengthen governance, and build more accountable institutions. Her technical insight and financial acumen are critical in following the trail of public funds and determining where leakages and irregularities may have occurred. Mayor Benji Magalong, a special advisor and who will act as investigator for the ICI. Mayor Magalong is a career law enforcement officer who served as Deputy Director General of the Philippine National Police and as former Director of Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG. He handled sensitive, high-impact investigations and helped lead institutional reforms in law enforcement through intelligence-driven forensic-based approaches. As mayor of Baguio City, he has continued to apply his strict standards of transparency and accountability in local governments. His experience in leading difficult investigations, uncovering internal wrongdoing, and enforcing compliance makes him a strong asset to this commission. The announcement of the chairperson of the commission will be made by the President in the coming days. Voluntaryo ang pagtanggap nila sa tungkulin na ito. Hindi sila hinihirang para ipagtanggol ang sistema kundi para harapin ito. Bawat isa sa kanila ay may mahabang karanasan sa pagtukoy ng mga problema sa loob ng mga institusyon at sa pagpapatupad ng mga reforma sa malalaking organisasyon. At pinakamahalaga sa lahat, wala ni isa sa kanila ang konektado sa anumang ahensya o kontratistang iniimbestigahan. Karapatan ng publiko ang magkaroon ng isang tunay na independent commission. Gaya ng paulit-ulit na sinabi ni Pangulo, walang sasantuhin dito. Kahit kamag-anak, kaibigan, kaalyado, there will be no secret cows. The Commission will begin its work immediately. At handa na po tayong sumagot ng inyong mga katanungan.
First question po.